Hi guys, welcome back to the video. And as I promised you guys that I would be uploading the second part of the skincare where I would be showing you all the products which I've been using these many months and years. So here I am with the video, and let's just start the video without wasting any further time. So the first product I want to start this video with is by sunscreen, because I know you guys don't apply sunscreen and this is something which is really important for your skin, and that is the reason I'm starting this video by sunscreen. So I have this La Shield sunscreen gel which has SPF 40, and so that's the inner packaging of the product. It leaves no white residue on the skin and it gives ample amount of hydration without looking oily or shiny. It has a broad spectrum with UVA and UVB protection, and the brownie point is it's dermatology tested. I love the products which are dermatology tested, and this one is the one. It's also suitable under makeup and it doesn't crack your skin. It doesn't cause irritation to the skin, and the best part, it is free from preservatives, colors, alcohol. Though it has a little bit of fragrance into it which I really don't like, but then it's okay. I'm used to it. So guys, this is non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores, and also it has a water resistant formula which is amazing for your skin. I mean, not amazing for your skin, why I'm saying amazing for the skin, which is good for your lifestyle. The brand says it's suitable for all skin types, whereas I feel that it's only meant for dry skin, because I have a friend who got oily combination skin and this product actually broke her out. She actually got tiny little bumps on her face, and it's not that she's using too many products. She's not using any product. She's like sticking with her normal cleanser and normal moisturizer, and then she used this and she got bumps on her face, which is why I'm saying that, you know, this product won't suit oily combination skin, but then this worked for me. So this one is priced at rupees 790 for 60 grams, which is expensive, I would say, because we have a lot of sunscreen. But then I don't know, I've been using this product since so many years. Maybe that is why I really like this product, and I am going to continue using this product. And guys, the second product is a scrub, and this one is by Himalaya. This is a purifying neem scrub with antibacterial properties. It has neem and apricot. So I'm sure you guys know about this brand and the product, because I'm pretty sure that every house has this product. So the granules of this scrub are of exact size, which means it won't be harsh on the skin, and this scrub is specially meant for oily, acne prone skin, combination skin, and it's a very gentle scrub, guys. It purifies the skin because of its antibacterial properties, and also you see a clearer skin, and even the occurrence of the pimples also become minimal. The scars become lighter, and the texture of this product is so creamy. I've been using this since my college days, and guess what, the price? It's only for 75 rupees for 50 grams. I mean, 75 rupees for 50 grams. Wow, such an affordable product in the market, and love this product. Okay, so the brand says that it removes blackheads, I mean the stubborn blackheads and whiteheads, which I won't agree on. It removes the dead skin cells, which I will agree on, that's true. So in short, a must try product, and if you have not used it, then just go ahead and, you know, buy this product. I mean, don't give it a second thought. And the third product, guys, is a peel off mask, and this one is by Oriental Botanics. This is the aloe vera green tea and cucumber peel off mask. This is for clear radiant complexion. It detoxifies, hydrates, nourishes and rejuvenates skin. It has no paraben, no silicone. It's mineral oil, sulfate free, suits all skin types. That's all the brand claims to. So this peel off mask removes all kind of impurities that we cannot remove by just, you know, a cleanser. So that's how the outer packaging looks like. So this is a peel off mask which actually removes all kind of impurities from your skin, and it also helps to remove whiteheads and blackheads. It's really effective for your pores. I've been using this since so many months and I really like this product. This is the only peel off mask which I really like. The skin feels and look perfectly beautiful, and trust me guys, it does look. As the main ingredient of this product are aloe vera, green tea and cucumber, which means that it is going to actually hydrate and rejuvenate your skin very nicely. Guys, it also gives a lot of moisture to the skin and maintains the pH balance. Vitamins and premium botanics infused in the mask helps to repair damaged skin and support healthy regeneration of the skin cells. So the brand also says that it offers products free from artificial colors, flavors, preservatives, and are carefully tested for purity, potency and toxic condiments like heavy metals and pesticides. So this priced at rupees 349 for 100 ml. Okay, so I'm back and I got myself a cup of coffee. Actually, it's very hot, I cannot have it. So the next product guys is a makeup remover, and we all know that how important it is to remove our makeup before we get down to bed, before we sleep. So this is the one by Oriental Botanics again. This is an Australian tea tree biphase micellar water for acne prone and oily skin with purifying tea tree oil. It removes makeup, cleanses, balances, hydrates and brightens skin. And guys, now this is a powerful makeup remover and a skin cleansing product which works faster than the traditional cleansing products which we use. It has a very effective formula that does not require any kind of rinsing or rubbing to eliminate your impurities from the skin. It reveals your clear bare skin without disrupting its natural oil balance, and I've used so many micellar water in the past like Bioderma, Pond's, then we have so many, I'm forgetting the names right now, but then this product is a great product to use. It's a new product, and I don't know why the bloggers, they don't talk about this one. So this is a good product to go for. Little expensive, it's for $4.99. Hi guys, so my camera's battery was drained out completely, which is why मैंने जो है charge पे बिठाया, और then I thought okay, let's just finish this coffee जो कि मैंने पूरी ख़त्म कर दी, और because ठंडी भी हो रही थी. If you guys feel कि मेरा जो है position थोड़ा सा disbalance हो गया है, या फिर you know the camera is not proper or the lighting is not proper, then I'm so sorry. Let's just finish this video quickly. So I was telling you guys about this makeup remover. It leaves the skin squeaky clean without any residue of makeup. So it does not contain any kind of added fragrance or toxic ingredients or mineral oil. By far this is the best product for acne prone skin, and this is for $4.99 for 150 ml. So the next product guys is a face cream, and so that's the cream. So one thing is for sure, that this cream will definitely give you a radiant glow because it acts as a very heavy moisturizer which deeply conditions your skin, making it softer and smoother to feel. And the coconut prevents premature aging and makes your skin firm, bringing back the flawless feeling of youth in you. It is best recommended for dry and damaged skin, and the active ingredient, as you all know, is coconut because it's a coconut face cream. So it can be a good product for all those who have dullness on their face, and it is free from parabens, silicons, mineral oil, and a cruelty-free product. So this one is priced at rupees 235. Now some people do have allergies from some of the ingredients in the product, and which is why I would suggest you guys to do a patch test before you know, buying a product. Although coconut is a great ingredient for the skin, but then because of extremely sensitivity, coconut might not work for your skin. So some people do have problem when they use products based off coconut. So which is why I'm saying do a patch test, and otherwise it's a good buy, not expensive, and the brand is also a good brand. And now guys, I will be talking about a product which is my favorite, and I'm talking about this Plum alcohol free green tea toner, and that's how it looks like. So guys, this is my go-to product, and there is a very fine line between skin feeling greasy and those that dry up your skin. this toner exists on that line. Helps in keeping your skin soft, supple and moisturized. This alcohol-free toner is also enriched with glycolic acid that gently exfoliates and removes all kind of dead skin cells. This is the best toner in the market. If you guys want to try a toner which is affordable and good for your skin, then just go for it. If you have cystic acne or if you have extremely sensitive skin, then you may just keep a distance because this might increase your pimples. But then this is best for oily combination skin and acne prone skin, but not like for cystic acne. So the next product, guys, is a serum, and start your serum game if you are 25 or above 25 because it's really important for your skin. It gives your skin the boost of hydration and all kind of nourishment. So the one which I am using currently is this vitamin C serum by Natural Vibes. That's how it looks. I honestly didn't expect that this serum will turn out so good. This is really worth buying. This is our country's own Ayurvedic product. It has a watery texture and the face gets little sticky when you apply in the first go, but it absorbs quickly and it smells like juicy fruits, guys. I mean, this smells so fruity, such a relaxing and soothing aroma. You can say that they have used such high quality and pure essential oils in this product. It actually helped me suppress my acne and made my skin glow. I'm a fan of clean beauty products, and this one hits the spot for me for following reasons. Because one, affordable price, smells great, very mild fragrance, and I mean, it does all the job. The packaging of the product is good and it's travel friendly, and most importantly, it gives you the desired results. I mean, this is all we want, right? So the serum has a lightweight formula. So one thing, guys, I wanted to share with you all is on the box it's written that 25% of the product is Ayurvedic, and some of the percentage is Ayurvedic, and rest 75% is like not mentioned. So they say Ayurvedic, which we believe also, as they're saying, but then on the box it's written that 25% is Ayurvedic and rest 75% is like, we don't know what all ingredients they have used, but the results are good. So that is why I am assuming that the ingredients, the rest 75% ingredients would be good as well. So for my skin it's the best. Do a patch test again before you buy this product. So this product goes for all skin types as per the information. SLS free, paraben free, 100% vegan, and priced at rupees 999 for 30 ml. This is like affordable. I mean, not affordable section, but I think it's moderate, not that expensive and not that not cheap also. And the last one is a hand sanitizer, guys, and this one is a hand cream antibacterial for germ-free and soft hands by the brand Bare Body Essentials. And so guys, it's a smart buy because this hand sanitizer, I mean hand cream, will not only protect your hand from germs, because as the product says that this is a hand cream as well as a hand sanitizer, but this will also make your hands soft. This one is made from non-alcoholic and all natural ingredients. This one is a non-toxic one and comes in a pocket-friendly size that can be carried everywhere. So the product says that it kills 99% of germs, helps to heal dry skin and prevent infections. It's a FDA approved 100% vegetarian and a cruelty free product. Also, guys, did I mention you about the fragrance? This product smells delicious, like amazing. I can't begin to tell you guys that how beautiful this product smells. I could have introduced you guys with this product in this very beginning of this video because this product smells amazing. It literally makes me happy. Like for a second I become happy. Yes, this one is priced at rupees 350 for 50 grams. Okay, so without telling you guys about the cleanser, I cannot finish this video. So I'm still using the same product, the Biotic one, and if you guys want to check the review for it, then you may go ahead and check the first part of the skincare video. I will link the video right here or right here, I don't know where. Thank you guys for sticking around with me, and I hope that this video was little helpful for you. And now I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and I love you all. So same story, sometimes the battery is draining out, sometimes the lights are not working, sometimes somebody's like calling me and then the dogs are barking. Okay, it's okay, but we will finish this video. And the last product, and the last product, and the last one is